Hey guys, we often talk about the heart, the brain, the gut, but what about the pancreas? This unsung hero works tirelessly behind the scenes, playing a critical role in digestion and blood sugar control. It's time to bring the pancreas into the spotlight and understand its importance for a longer, healthier life. By understanding this powerful organ, we can unlock the secrets to its optimal function and reap the rewards of a vibrant, energetic life. This isn't just about avoiding disease. It's about maximizing your health span, those years you live with vitality and joy. We'll delve into the latest research, practical tips, and inspiring stories of individuals who've transformed their health by prioritizing their pancreas. Get ready to discover the profound impact this small but mighty organ has on your overall well-being. Tucked away behind your stomach lies the pancreas, a small but mighty organ with a big job. Don't let its size fool you. This workhorse is responsible for two crucial functions: digestion and blood sugar regulation. It acts like a two-sided coin, each side equally important for your overall health. On one side, the pancreas produces enzymes, powerful digestive juices that break down food in your small intestine. These enzymes are essential for extracting nutrients from the food you eat, fueling your body and keeping it running smoothly. Without them, your body wouldn't be able to absorb the vital vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs. On the flip side, the pancreas produces hormones, chemical messengers that regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin, the most well-known, acts like a key, unlocking cells to absorb glucose, sugar, from the bloodstream. This process provides energy to your cells and prevents dangerously high blood sugar. Another hormone, glucagon, does the opposite, raising blood sugar when it dips too low, ensuring a constant energy supply. This intricate balance of digestion and blood sugar control highlights the pancreas's crucial role in maintaining overall health. Understanding its functions is the first step towards appreciating its importance and taking proactive steps to keep it healthy for years to come. The pancreas, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in your longevity. When functioning optimally, it contributes to a cascade of positive effects throughout your body, promoting overall health and vitality as you age. It's like a well-oiled machine, ensuring your body runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. A healthy pancreas ensures efficient digestion, maximizing nutrient absorption. This means your body receives the building blocks it needs for cell repair, energy production, and optimal organ function, all crucial for healthy aging. Furthermore, balanced blood sugar levels, regulated by a healthy pancreas, are linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and cognitive decline, adding years to your life and life to your years. But the benefits don't stop there. Research suggests a healthy pancreas may even play a role in reducing inflammation, a key driver of aging and age-related diseases. By keeping inflammation in check, you can protect your cells from damage and slow down the aging process, enjoying a vibrant life well into your golden years. Investing in your pancreatic health is an investment in your longevity. By adopting a holistic approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management, you can support this vital organ and reap the rewards of a longer, healthier life. While the pancreas is a resilient organ, it's not invincible. Several factors can disrupt its function, leading to a range of health problems, some mild, others more serious. Understanding these potential issues empowers you to take proactive steps to protect your pancreatic health. One of the most common problems is pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas. This painful condition occurs when digestive enzymes become activated prematurely, irritating the pancreas. Causes range from gallstones to alcohol abuse, and symptoms vary from mild abdominal discomfort to severe pain requiring hospitalization. Another concern is pancreatic cancer, a particularly aggressive and challenging to treat cancer. While less common than other cancers, it's often diagnosed in later stages, making it more difficult to treat effectively. Early detection is crucial, but symptoms often appear late, highlighting the importance of proactive pancreatic care. Other issues include pancreatic cysts, which are fluid-filled sacs that can sometimes develop. While most are benign, some may require monitoring or intervention. Diabetes, a chronic condition affecting blood sugar regulation, also highlights the importance of pancreatic health, as it directly impacts the organ's ability to produce insulin. Understanding these potential problems allows you to make informed decisions about your health. By adopting a proactive approach that includes regular checkups, a healthy lifestyle, and early detection measures, you can minimize your risk and protect this vital organ. Diabetes, a chronic metabolic disorder, throws a wrench in the pancreas's ability to regulate blood sugar. This complex condition has far-reaching consequences for your health, highlighting the crucial link between your pancreas and your overall well-being. Understanding this intricate relationship is crucial for managing diabetes and protecting your pancreas from further damage. In type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This autoimmune attack leads to an insulin deficiency, requiring lifelong insulin therapy to regulate blood sugar levels. While the exact cause of this autoimmune response remains unclear, genetic predisposition and environmental factors are believed to play a role. Type 2 diabetes, the most prevalent form, develops when the body becomes resistant to insulin, or the pancreas can't produce enough to keep up with demand. This resistance is often linked to lifestyle factors like obesity, physical inactivity, and a diet high in processed foods and sugary drinks. Over time, this constant strain on the pancreas can lead to a decline in insulin production, worsening the condition. The good news is that you can take control of your metabolic health and support your pancreas. Lifestyle modifications, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and weight management, can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Taking care of your pancreas doesn't require drastic measures. Simple, sustainable lifestyle changes can make a world of difference. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can support your pancreatic health and reap the rewards of a healthier, more energetic life. One of the most impactful changes you can make is quitting smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and increases your risk of pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. Quitting, no matter how long you've smoked, significantly reduces your risk and allows your body to begin healing. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial, as obesity increases the risk of pancreatic cancer and type 2 diabetes. Even a small amount of weight loss can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the burden on your pancreas. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Stress management is also essential for pancreatic health. Eating for a Happy Pancreas, your diet guide. What you eat has a direct impact on your pancreatic health. By making smart food choices, you can nourish this vital organ and support its crucial functions. A pancreas-friendly diet is all about balance, moderation, and incorporating foods that promote digestion and blood sugar control. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These foods are packed with fiber, which slows down sugar absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes and supporting healthy digestion. Choose lean protein sources like fish, chicken, beans, and lentils, which are easier to digest and provide essential amino acids for cell repair and growth. Limit your intake of refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and sugary drinks. These foods are quickly broken down into sugar, putting a strain on your pancreas and leading to blood sugar fluctuations. Healthy fats, found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are beneficial for pancreatic health, improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. Hydration is key for overall health, including pancreatic function. Water helps flush out toxins, aids in digestion, and supports nutrient absorption. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and limit sugary drinks, which can dehydrate you and contribute to pancreatic problems. Real stories, real results triumph over pancreatic challenges. Stories of individuals who've improved their health by focusing on their pancreas offer inspiration and hope. These real-life experiences demonstrate the power of lifestyle changes and proactive care in overcoming pancreatic challenges and living vibrant, fulfilling lives. Take, for instance, Sarah, diagnosed with prediabetes in her early 40s. Determined to avoid progressing to type 2 diabetes, she made significant lifestyle changes, adopting a balanced diet, incorporating regular exercise, and managing stress. Within a year, she reversed her prediabetes, improved her blood sugar control, and lost weight, feeling more energetic and healthier than ever before. Then there's John, who experienced recurring bouts of pancreatitis. After struggling for years, he discovered that alcohol was a major trigger. He made the difficult decision to quit drinking and noticed a dramatic improvement in his symptoms. He also adopted a healthier diet and prioritized stress management, experiencing fewer and less severe pancreatitis episodes. These stories highlight the transformative power of taking control of your health. By understanding the importance of the pancreas and adopting a holistic approach to its care, you can overcome challenges, improve your well-being, and live a longer, healthier life. Listen to your body. Early detection for lasting wellness. Your body has a remarkable way of communicating its needs, often sending subtle signals when something isn't quite right. Paying attention to these early warning signs and seeking timely medical attention can make all the difference in preventing pancreatic problems from escalating. Keep an eye out for persistent digestive issues like abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, or unexplained weight loss. These symptoms, while potentially indicative of other conditions, could also signal pancreatic problems and warrant further investigation. Changes in bowel habits, such as diarrhea, constipation, or oily stools, can also be red flags, especially if accompanied by other symptoms. If you experience sudden, severe abdominal pain that radiates to your back, seek immediate medical attention. This could be a sign of acute pancreatitis, a serious condition requiring prompt treatment. Remember, early detection is key to successful treatment and preventing long-term complications. Don't ignore your body's signals. By listening to your body and being proactive about your health, you can empower yourself to live a longer, healthier life. Your pancreas, your powerhouse. Take charge of your health today. The pancreas, often overlooked, is a true powerhouse, playing a vital role in your overall health and longevity. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Embrace a balanced diet rich in whole foods, prioritize regular exercise, manage stress effectively, and listen to your body's signals. Your health is your most valuable asset. Invest in it wisely by prioritizing your pancreatic health. Empower yourself with knowledge, take action, and unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.